A variety of run-ins with the law often puts troubled kids face to face with the Maryland Department of Juvenile Services.
I did know what I was doing was wrong, but I didn't care about the consequences because I never thought that I was going to get caught. I mean, I understand everybody get caught once in their life or down the road, but I just didn't think that was going to happen to me.
Lamar isn't alone in getting caught. More than 800 kids were incarcerated statewide in the juvenile justice system in 2018. Nearly 90% are male, more than 10% are female, all under the age of 21. And there are many reasons why these kids find themselves in trouble with the law, from a traumatic childhood and peer pressure to biological factors.
They don't mature until about age 25. The last part of their brains to develop is the frontal lobe. That's the part that controls your executive functions and would lead you to say, oh, you know, I may not want to do this because it could get me in trouble.
Victor Cullen takes the most serious offenders from carjacking to robberies, with the most common being second-degree assault. Maryland Department of Juvenile Services Secretary Dr. Sam Abed explains what's in store for kids who commit those crimes.
We have a decision to make for those misdemeanor cases. So right there at that decision point, we can either informally supervise the youth or divert that youth out of the system if it's a misdemeanor offense. Again, we're a public safety agency. Any felony cases do get forwarded to the state's attorney.
Some avoid incarceration by being put on house arrest or making amends with their victim.
Your defense lawyer is never going to let you say you're sorry because that's an admission. But in this process, you know, you get to that sincere apology, and then they come to a resolution. They'll actually come up with an agreement that they sign off on.
But others, like Bill and Mike, may face a different fate.
I got booked, and they called my mom to come pick me up. She said that she won't pick me up. And I was like, damn, you feel me? Like, I ain't never expect this to come to like this. But I couldn't be mad because I put myself in this position.
So the judge, like, he already saw, by the severity of my charges, that it's like a pattern, and since I'm so young, doing stuff like that, I forgot what he said. He said that it's like a violent pattern that he wants to deal with right now. So like, kill it at the root before it spurs off and grows. Yeah, so then I got locked up my first time I was 15, and then I turned 16.